Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 10 home cleaning tips for pregnant women. Pregnancy can be a physically demanding time, and it's important to take care of yourself and your baby. In this video, we'll share 10 home cleaning tips for pregnant women, to help you keep your home clean and safe without overexerting yourself. From natural cleaning products and microfiber mops, to taking breaks and wearing gloves, these tips will help you maintain a healthy and clean home during pregnancy. Without much ado, let's get into it. Tip number 1, stay hydrated while cleaning. It's important to drink plenty of water while cleaning to stay hydrated, especially during pregnancy. When you're pregnant, your body needs more fluids to support the increased blood volume and growing baby. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and other health issues, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Number 2, wear gloves to protect your hands. Wear gloves while cleaning to protect your skin from harsh chemicals and to prevent infections. Pregnant women have a higher risk of developing skin irritation and infection, so it's important to take precautions when using cleaning products. Latex or rubber gloves are a good choice for protecting your hands from chemicals and moisture. Number 3, use natural cleaning products. Choose natural cleaning products that are safe for pregnant women and the environment. Many conventional cleaning products contain chemicals that can be harmful to pregnant women and their developing babies. Natural cleaning products made from plant-based ingredients are a safer and more eco-friendly option. Number 4, avoid strong odors. Pregnant women are more sensitive to strong odors, so it's best to avoid using cleaning products with strong fragrances. Many conventional cleaning products contain synthetic fragrances that can cause headaches, dizziness, and other health issues in pregnant women. Opt for unscented or naturally scented cleaning products to reduce the risk of irritation. Number 5, take breaks. Don't try to clean the entire house in one go. Take breaks to rest and hydrate. Pregnancy can be physically demanding, and it's important to listen to your body and take breaks as needed. Take a seat, drink some water, and rest for a few minutes before continuing with your cleaning tasks. Number 6, use a damp cloth instead of a dry one. A damp cloth is more effective at picking up dirt and dust than a dry one, and it also reduces the amount of dust and allergens in the air. When you use a dry cloth to dust, it can kick up dust and allergens into the air, which can be harmful to pregnant women who may be more sensitive to such irritants. A damp cloth can help to trap and remove these particles from the surface, making your home healthier and safer. Number 7, keep your floors clean. A clean floor helps to prevent slips and falls, which are more common during pregnancy. As your belly grows, your balance may be affected, and it's easier to trip or slip on a dirty floor. Keep your floors clean and free of debris to reduce the risk of falls. Number 8, use a vacuum with a HEPA filter. A vacuum with a HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air, filter, can help to remove allergens and dust from the air, which is important for pregnant women who may be more sensitive to such irritants. A HEPA filter captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it effective at removing allergens, dust, and other irritants from the air. Number 9, use a microfiber mop. A microfiber mop is more effective at picking up dirt and dust than a traditional mop, and it also helps to reduce the amount of chemicals used during cleaning. Microfiber mops can effectively clean floors without the use of chemicals, making them a safer and more eco-friendly option for pregnant women. Number 10, get help. Don't be afraid to ask for help with cleaning tasks. It's important to take care of yourself and your baby during pregnancy, and asking for help can help to reduce the physical strain of cleaning. You can ask your partner or family. And there you have it, 10 safe home cleaning tips for our amazing mothers, or mothers-to-be. Pregnancy on its own can be a very stressful period, so please be safe. Thanks for watching. click the subscribe button and leave a comment below.